Welcome back, it's Scrap. Today I want to talk about how to freestyle on YouTube. Yeah, it seems pretty rhetorical, doesn't it? You'll be surprised at how many people I see failing everywhere I look. Literally every day there's millions of videos added to YouTube. So right off the rip, do you think that a blurry or a dark thumbnail is going to get clicked on? Like a thumbnail of literally nothing? Do you think that somebody want to watch a video that's like this full screen? Or do you think that they want to watch a video that's not full screen? I mean, literally, guys, turn your phone sideways. Tip number 1. Tip number 2, make a thumbnail for your freestyle. See, I have a whole bunch of friends on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. everywhere, all right? All my friends, not all of them, but I have a lot of friends who freestyle. And a lot of them are getting nowhere with it. And it's because they're not taking the time to do these simple little things. For one, don't record in a dark, blurry, crappy environment. Get a light or go outside in the daytime. Number 2, make a thumbnail. Number 3, turn your camera sideways. Don't record with a little half a screen. People don't want to see all that empty area right there, okay? You need to full screen it. Make a thumbnail. Turn the lights on. But also, take the time to put a description in there, guys. And in your description down low, you could put links to all of your other freestyle videos. And the people who do care will read your description. Don't go ahead and say that nobody reads that, because the people who actually care about what you're saying are going to read your description. Alright? And if you ain't got nobody that cares, well, you got a bigger problem than trying to freestyle on YouTube, okay? But just drives me crazy, man. I will literally go to the filter after I get done with this video, right? And I'm gonna type in freestyle, and I'm gonna click to the filter, and I'm gonna click to see all the freestyles uploaded in the last hour. And I'm gonna go comment on all those videos, and I'm gonna tell those people what I think about their raps. I'm gonna tell them that I also freestyle, and guess what? I'll be lucky if I give 100 comments and if I get 10 people to respond. The biggest issue I see with people struggling to freestyle and make something out of it on YouTube is they don't respond to comments. Like, why aren't you responding? Man, I can't tell you how many people will just heart what I said. They won't even say nothing back. I'll leave a little mini paragraph on their video, right? They'll just heart it, or they'll say thank you. And then I'll say something else after thank you, and they don't even acknowledge it. It's like, okay, you don't care if I stick around or not, do you? Okay, have fun with your 50 subscribers. Bye-bye. 4 tips, guys. The biggest 4 things to see everybody messing up: the lighting in their video, the thumbnail of their video, the angle or the size or whatever you want to call this. You know what I mean? The size of the video. Whew, man. That's 3. I said the other one earlier. It's scrap.